Basically, it started in 1910 with a boy who was reading a book by Lord Sir Baden-Powell, and he was what they called back then scouts. Lord Sir Baden-Powell was an officer in the military. Started with that boy just walking down the street, finding an American who was lost, and helped him to his place. And the American liked it so much that he brought it back to the States and basically started the Boy Scouts of America. It's grown ever since.
Scout, tenderfoot, second class, first class, Star Life Eagle.
It takes a lot of hard work and dedication. You have to be able to give back to the community and always be willing to help out. But overall, it definitely costs a lot of hard work. You have to show that you have the right skills to be an Eagle Scout, such as leadership and dedication and discipline.
Venturing is a program similar to the Boy Scouts and the Girl Scouts. It's made for people ages 14 to 21, so it's co-ed, and it involves similar aspects of both Girl Scouting and Boy Scouting. For Troop 410, it's closer to Boy Scouting, as we haven't had much female association, as there's not an associated Girl Scout troop to go off of.
Now, the Scoutmaster is responsible for the Scouts and the program in the troop, while the committee is responsible for all of the background work and taking care of the logistics of the program. The Scoutmaster works with the boys to train and teach them to be self-leaders. So he teaches the rules of leadership, he teaches the problems of planning and executing meetings, and he becomes their mentor and guide as they move through the program, from starting as a scout maybe at 11 years old through hopefully completing their Eagle rank at 16 to 18 year old. He instills in them a desire to serve others. He instills in them a sense of responsibility that hopefully carries on outside of the troop meeting into their life in the community.